Did you know all of our AluTruk sack trucks are built in-house by our dedicated team? We support and partner with companies across many different industries, each with varying requirements. Because of this fact, we can build your AluTruk exactly how you want it, so why not build your own? At bilgroup.co.uk, we have created an easy-to-use online feature where you can design your perfect AluTruk specifically for your own individual needs. Choose from many customizable options including handles, frames, wheels and toe plates, plus optional extras including wheel guards, stair glides, load assist plates and folding nose extensions. Once you are happy with your design, you can place your order online and our in-house specialist team will create your AluTruk exactly as you specified. With extensive component stock holdings, we offer quick delivery even on unique build-your-own requirements, meaning you can get your AluTruk in use quickly, making you and your team's job safer and more efficient. But as always, if you have any questions or queries, please don't hesitate in contacting our friendly sales team for information.